Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the adware called HitchSpace. This is the adware from the AdLoad family. It targets Mac computers these days. It attacks Safari, Google Chrome, Firefox, and other browsers. HitchSpace adware, once installed, starts to show a lot of intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. In case this HitchSpace was somewhere or another found on your computer, you need to get rid of it from your computer. Check your applications, right click on it and move it to the trash. I also recommend you to restart your system additionally with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and start researching the computer with its help to detect and remove other threats. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.